Now dear student, we are going to discuss question number 3.7, and in this question it is given to you a silver wire has a resistance of 2.1 ohm at 27.5 degree Celsius and a resistance of 2.7 ohm at 100 degree Celsius. Now determine temperature coefficient of resistivity of silver. Clear? So actually we know one relationship R2. This is given by R1 1 plus alpha T2 minus T1. Clear to you? Now from here we can write like this: value of R2. Value of R2 we have, this is 2.7, and value of R1, this is 2.1. We can say this is 1 plus alpha T2 minus T1. Clear? So T2 value is given 100 degrees Celsius and T1 value we have 27.5. Clear? So from here we can say this is 2.7 equal to 2.1. Clear? 1 plus alpha, and this is 72.5. Clear? So now we can write like this: this is 27 by 21. This is equal to 1 plus alpha 72.5. Clear? So from here we can write like this: 72.5 alpha, this is equal to 27 by 21 minus 1. So if you take LCM 21, we can say this is 6 by 21. Clear? Now we can cancel it by 3. So we can say this is 2 and this one is 7. So 72.5 alpha, this is equal to 2 by 7. Clear to everyone? So value of alpha, this is given by 2 by 7 into 72.5. Clear? Clear? So you can say almost, we can say this is 36.25. Clear? So value of alpha, we can say this is equal to 1 upon 7 into 36.25. Clear? So if you solve it, you will find here value of alpha, that is approximately equal to 0.003. Clear? 0.00394 and degree Celsius inverse. Clear to everyone? Clear? You can easily calculate. This is 1 upon 7 into 36. Clear? So if you say this is we can say 2, here we have 4, so almost we can say near about 250. Clear? So near about 250 means we can say 0.0004 that we will get. Clear? So this is value of alpha. Alpha is what? This is temperature coefficient. Clear? My dear student, you know how can we define value? How can we define this alpha? Alpha is actually defined like this. You can say, if we can also write this formula like this: alpha, this is equal to delta R upon R delta T. It means I can say fractional change in resistance. What I am saying, listen carefully. Fractional change in resistance per unit rise in temperature, this is known as temperature coefficient. Clear? So this is all about this question. We have correct answer 0.00394 degree Celsius inverse. Clear?